Welcome to our 2022 Public tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to start investing with Public. So we're going to create an account and make our first investment. I currently don't have a Public account. I'm going to be creating it today with all of you. So I'm not an expert on the platform, but a few weeks after publishing this video, I will be creating a full review video after I've had a chance to use the platform more. Three great features of the Public app. One, no commission trading. So you can buy and sell stocks and ETFs with no commissions. Two, the ability to purchase fractional shares. So say Amazon, Google, Tesla, there's plenty of stocks and ETFs. They're in the hundreds or thousands of dollars. You can invest in any amount you want. So you can invest $1 in Tesla if you'd like, $5 in Amazon. You choose the amount and you can purchase fractional shares instead of having to purchase a full share at a time. Number three, the social features. So the ability to follow and interact with famous investors, celebrities, and other investors so you can see what they're investing in and you can learn from each other. If you're interested in creating an account with Public and want to get up to $300 in free stock, I'll put my referral or affiliate link down below in the description. Also, as soon as the review video is ready, you'll be able to find that in the description as well, and I'll place a link to it at the very end of this video. Now let's get started creating our account. Okay, so here we are at Public using a referral link. You'll notice in the top corner, earn free stock right here. If you just go to public.com, it's gonna look exactly the same, except there is no free stock offer. So let's sign up here, phone number. All right, check your phone. Okay, welcome to Public. Let's make you an investor. Get the app here. One more thing before we move on, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. Before making any investment, you want to make sure to do your own research. If the link that you get asks for you to put in a referral code, you would do that right here, but I'm just going to get started. Okay, so here's where you get the free stock. Claim a free slice of stock. Pick a company you'd like to own and we'll invest up to $300 for you. So I'm just going to choose VOO, Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. Next. Great choice. Let's set up your account and get your free stock in Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It'll just take a few minutes. You'll get your free stock when you make your first deposit. Phone number, enter the code we texted you. Now let's enter your name. This will show up on your profile and choose a username. Next, email address. Next, password. Add a profile photo. Let's just do this later. Save password on iCloud. Stay updated on your account. I don't need more notifications. Finish setting up your account to get your free stock. Next. Birthday. Okay, so when setting up any brokerage account, you're going to see similar questions. They basically want to know if you have control or significant influence on what goes on at a specific public company. So I am, or a family member is a 10% shareholder or senior exec at a publicly traded company. I or someone in my family work for a securities exchange, FINTRA, or registered securities brokerage firm. I or someone in my family am politically exposed. Most people are going to put none of the above, but just read through those. What's your employment status? Where do you work? And what's your job title? Address. Okay, so here's where you add your full legal name. So what you want to show up on your profile could be completely different than what you're going to put here. Enable crypto. I agree. Accept the terms and conditions. Submitting your application. What are your investment goals? Growth. Public here to say you're in. Connect your bank and add funds to get going. So I think we'll get there in just 1 second. How much investing experience do you have? I am an expert. Your current yearly income. Estimated net worth. What's the total value of your cash and liquid investments? All right, it keeps telling me I'm going to get my free stock. Hopefully, I'm almost there. Choose your payment method, bank link. Wow, Chime coming in at number 1. Connecting with Plaid. Okay, deposit funds to public. Let's get started with $100. Continue. Okay. Deposit initiated. We started transferring $100 to your public account. It may take up to 5 days. I do believe I'll be able to invest this immediately, but I'm not going to be able to sell that investment or to be able to take the $100 out until the funds have completely settled. Done. Instant cash unlocked. So that's what I was just saying. So I can make an investment with this $100. Transfer your portfolio. No, thank you. Done. Okay, so invite friends to get free stock. Okay, so it looks like I got $5 of free stock. Let's see, how do we figure that out? Portfolio. Yep, so it invested at $5 and I already have a 6-cent gain, so that's not too bad. Now we're gonna make our first investment in an ETF. So if we go to Explore and let's invest in VTI, which is Vanguard's total stock fund. Would you like to automate your finances to set it and forget it? Well, you're in luck. We have a free email course that walks you through step-by-step how to do just that. If you're interested in signing up, check out the link in the description below. So one nice thing with public or other brokerage accounts that I recommend on this channel is the ability to buy fractional shares. So you can see here that the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF is $223.38 right now. So you may not want to invest this full $223 every time you make an investment. Obviously, it's going to go up and down. You may want to make much smaller investments. And so the ability to buy less than one share is a nice feature of public and a lot of other brokerage accounts. So if this is the ETF that we wanted to purchase, click on invest and invest in Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. And let's just see if we can invest $1. I want to invest $1 at the market price. Submit. You invested $1 in this ETF. Okay, so now it wants me to post my first hashtag my first investment. How do we get out of here? Okay, so we made a $1 purchase of an ETF and we also got $5 of free stock by signing up for a public account. Let's go back and view our portfolio. Okay, so here's our updated portfolio. I have $105.06 currently. If we scroll down further, you can see if you want to deposit more funds or to invest, you can do that here. And the buying power I have is $99. We invested $1 of the $100 already. And then scrolling down further, here is my portfolio. So I own $1 of VTI and I imagine $5.06 of VOO. If I click here, it looks like there's more information about my holdings. So total holdings $1, the 0.00447 shares that I own of the ETF, the average price, the weighting, so it's 0.95% of my portfolio, so it's counting the cash and the other ETF. I've been invested for 5 minutes. The S&P 500 ETF, so I have $5.06. Here's how much of a share I own, the average price, weighting, and I've been invested in that for 9 minutes. So there we go. We created our public account and made our first investment. If you want to see the review video, as soon as that's ready, I'll link to it up above right here. And if you want to see how public compares to a bunch of other investment platforms, check out the playlist below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye-bye.